one salad done in two ways, the Western way and the Eastern way. Cucumber, tomato, red onion salad. So when I say Western style, I'm referring to North America, Europe, and adjoining regions as the reference. When I say Eastern style, I'm referring to the Indian subcontinent, that is India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka, and adjoining regions as the reference. Of course, the further you move away from the reference, there are going to be slight variations in the recipes. So first, let's cut the vegetables and prepare the garnish. For the Western salad, you will need 2 cucumbers sliced, 3 tomatoes cut into 1/4 inch pieces, or 36 cherry tomatoes halved. I'm using regular as well as cherry tomatoes. 2.5 cups onion sliced from 1 large onion. 1/4 cup mint leaves shredded. 1/4 cup basil leaves shredded. I roll a couple of basil and mint leaves into a small cylindrical shape and shred them. Half cup olives chopped. Half cup croutons halved. For the Eastern style salad, you will need 2 cucumbers diced, 3 tomatoes diced, 2.5 cups onion diced from 1 large onion, 1 chili, seeds removed. If you want a spicier salad, don't remove the seeds. One-fourth cup cilantro, that is coriander leaves, coarsely chopped. Now, let's prepare the base layer of the salad for both the Western style and Eastern style salads. To get extra crunchy cucumbers, we will need to extract water from them. Place the 2 sliced or diced cucumbers into a colander over a bowl. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon salt. Toss to coat. And let them rest for about 15 minutes. Drain the liquid from the bowl. and place the drained cucumber into it. Pat them dry with a paper towel. For the Western style salad, add the 3 tomatoes cut into 1/4 inch pieces or 36 cherry tomatoes halved and 2.5 cups onion sliced. For the Eastern style salad, add the 3 tomatoes diced, 2.5 cups onion diced and 1 chili. Now it's time to prepare and add the salad dressing as well as the garnish. For the Western style salad, combine the following into a small bowl. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon light butter, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon brown sugar or sugar, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Whisk the mixture until you get somewhat of a consistent dressing with small lumps of the butter in there, which will blend in with the salad once the dressing is poured into it and tossed. Pour the dressing into the bowl and toss everything thoroughly. Taste and see if it lacks flavor. If so, add up to half teaspoon of salt. If it is too acidic, add up to half teaspoon of brown sugar or sugar. Garnish with half cup olives chopped, 1/4 cup mint leaves and 1/4 cup basil leaves shredded, and optionally half cup croutons halved. For the Eastern style salad, combine the following into the bowl. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or 3/4 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon brown sugar or sugar, and half teaspoon salt. Toss everything thoroughly and taste to see if it lacks flavor. If so, add up to half teaspoon of salt. If it is too acidic, add up to half teaspoon of brown sugar or sugar. Garnish with 1/4 cup cilantro, that is coriander leaves.
So some final tips. To make the cucumbers as crunchy as possible, it's important to drain all the moisture off of them by adding salt, as I discussed before. So don't forget that step. For the Western style salad, you can experiment with different herbs such as thyme and dill instead of mint and basil. For the Eastern style salad, you could add crushed ginger and fish sauce to give it an Asian flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to click the like button. And I'd recommend you check out one of the videos listed on the screen, just like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.